Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. In previous video, we discussed about some definitions that will be related to pharmaceutical technology as well as in dispensing pharmacy. And I will give that video link in description box. Please watch it. Now we will discuss that remaining definitions. Gels. Gels are a homogeneous semi-solid preparations. It is usually consisting of solutions or dispersion of one or more medicament in suitable hydrophilic or hydrophobic bases, in which there is an interaction between colloidal particles within a liquid vehicle. Gels consisting of either suspension made up of small inorganic particles or large organic particles interpenetrated by a liquid. Gelling agents. Gelling agents are the gel forming agents. Gelling agents are the substances when added to an aqueous mixture, it increases its viscosity without modifying its properties, such as taste, and they provide a body, increases stability, and improve suspension of added ingredients. Hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids are the high molecular weight solid substances, and it will be added to water to produce highly viscous solutions. HLB scale. HLB scale means hydrophilic lipophilic balance scale. HLB scale is the balance of the size and strength of the hydrophilic and lipophilic moieties of a surfactant molecule. HLB scale ranges from 0 to 20. Indiffusible solids. Some solids do not dissolve in water and they do not uniformly distribute throughout the vehicle. That solids is called as indiffusible solids. Even after shaking, they settle down quickly, therefore it becomes difficult to measure the dose accurately. Microencapsulation. It is a process in which solids, liquids or gases enclosed in a microscopic particles by formation of thin coatings of wall materials around the substances. Magma. Magma is a two-phase system with large particle size or floccules of small distinct particles. It is commonly known as milk magnesia. Example, bentonite magma. Nozzle bogies. It is also known as nozzle suppositories. It is meant for introduction into the nozzle cavity and they are prepared with glycerogelatin base. Nanoparticles. Nanoparticles drug delivery system or ingenious technology on that nanoparticles are used for the targeted delivery and controlled release of therapeutic agents. On that, large surface area also has a large affinity for drugs and small molecules like ligands or antibodies for targeting and controlled release purposes. Ophthalmic inserts. These are new drug delivery systems for administering the drugs into the eyes. These are sterile, thin, multi-layered, solid or semi-solid consistency devices placed into the conjunctival sac that size and shape are especially designed for ophthalmic application. Poultice. Poultice is also known as a cataplasm. It is a soft, moist mass, heated and medicated that is spread on the cloth and placed over the skin to treat an inflamed or painful part of the body. It can be used on wounds such as cuts. Pastils. Pastils are made by pouring a thick liquid into a powdered, sugared or waxed mold and then allowing the liquid to set and dry. That substances contained in a dried liquid are slowly released when chewed and allowed to dissolve in the mouth. Pyrogens. Pyrogens are the polysaccharides from bacterial membranes. It are a water-soluble, heat-stable and filterable. In case pyrogens present in a preparation and that will be administered to a patient, it can cause a fever and also leukopenia if immune suppressed patients are there. Proof spirit. It is defined as mixture of alcohol and water which at 51 degrees Fahrenheit weighs 12th by 13th of an equal volume of water. Plasticizers. Plasticizers are used mainly for oral solid dosage forms. Plasticizers used as film forming agents or added to polymers in order to make the polymer pliable and soft, enhancing the flexibility and plasticity of the films. Radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals are medicinal formulations, and it contains radioisotopes which are used for diagnosis or therapy. Sprays. A spray is a dynamic collection of drops dispersed in a gas. The device used to generate a spray is a spray nozzle. Process of forming a spray is known as atomization. Sprays are used to distribute material over a cross section and to generate liquid surface area. Suppositories. Suppositories are one of the way to deliver a drug. It is a small round or cone-shaped object that put into body, often into bottom. Once it's inside, it melts in our body temperature and releases its medication. Surfactants. It lowers the surface tension between two liquids, that is, a gas and liquid and a liquid and solid. Surfactants used as detergents, wetting agents, emulsifiers, foaming agents or dispersants. Synergist. It is a substance which increases the effectiveness of one or more of its properties in a mixture. Throat paints. These paints are the viscous liquid preparation used for mouth and throat infections. Vatrioli. It is a glass capsule with a thin wall containing a volatile ingredients and protected by absorbent cotton wool and an outer silk bag. Pessaries. It is a prosthetic device inserted into the vagina for structural and pharmaceutical purposes. It is used to treat stress urinary incontinence, to stop urinary leakage and pelvic organ prolapse, to maintain the location of organs in the pelvic region. Lipsticks. It is a waxy solid, usually colored cosmetic in stick form for the lips. Generally, lipsticks is the most widely used item for cosmetics by the women to brighten the color of lips. Mascara. Mascara is a cosmetic product and it is used to enhance the eyelashes and eyebrows to darken and thicken their appearance. Additives or excipients. These are the excipients are used in the formulation. Diluents. Diluents provide bulk and enable accurate dosing of potent ingredients. Binders, compression aids, granulating agents. Bind the tablet ingredients together, giving form and mechanical strength. Disintegrants. Disintegrants are used to aid dispersion of the tablet in the gastrointestinal tract, releasing the active ingredient and increasing the surface area for dissolution. Glidants. Glidants used to improve the flow of powders during tablet manufacturing by reducing friction and adhesion between particles. It is also used as anti-caking agents. Lubricants. Lubricants have the similar action to glidants. However, they may slow disintegration and dissolution process. Preservatives. Preservatives are a substance used to preserve foodstuffs, wood, or other materials against decay. Stabilizers. Stabilizers are substances that increase stability and thickness by helping foods remain in an emulsion and retain physical characters. Organoleptic excipients. Coloring agents, flavoring agents, sweetening agents or comes under the organoleptic excipients. Coloring agents are used to improve the color, or in another term, it improves accessibility to patients, aid identification and prevent counterfeiting. Flavoring agents. Flavoring agents are used to enhance the flavor, modify the taste and the aroma in natural food products, which could have got lost due to food processing. Sweetening agents. Sweetening agents are substances that sweeten and mask the taste of food, beverages and medications to make them easy access to the patient or the consumer. And that's all about the basic definitions used in dispensing pharmacy and pharmaceutical technology.